Roll up to the theater in style when you're checking out Wakanda Forever in this fun style from Heelys. This collaboration with Avengers features Black Panther artwork. It has T'Challa right there on the side with the Black Panther logo on the back, using a synthetic and breathable textile upper that has a very fun texture. It has a traditional lace-up for the perfect fit, and the inner lining is padded textile that has thicker foam across the collar and the heel for better accommodation. The foam footbed at the bottom is also pretty thick, giving it a boost in cushioning, sitting on top of an EVA midsole that uses a rubberized outsole underneath. It acts as a brake with that wheel in the back, and the wheel can be removed with the help of a tool and a little pad that comes in the box so that you can control when you're rolling or walking.